He did? Oh. Who's here?
Who is that?
Who came to see you? Oh my gosh! Who is that?
It's Santa Claus, Addison.
Looky there! Wow!
What do you say? Oh, thank you, Santa.
Thanks, Santa.
Man, oh man! Did you get something from Santa Claus? Look at that!
Did you say thank you,
He
Santa?
brought his presents over to look at your arms.
Can you say thank you, Santa Claus?
Tell him ho ho ho!
Say thank you. He
You
has
say
to. He
thank
has
you,
to go
Santa?
see all the other boys and girls.
Do you want to
You gonna
stand next to Santa and get a
hug
picture?
before he leaves?
Can we get a picture with you? Oh, that's a good one.
Here, you want to? Let's take a. Come here, Addison. Daddy will hold you. Come take a picture with Ho Ho.
Way down.